Reports have emerged suggesting that Maina Njenga, the former leader of Mungiki, has been allegedly abducted by unidentified individuals within Kiambu town. This recent development has raised significant concerns regarding his safety and the circumstances surrounding this purported abduction. Given Njenga's tumultuous past, this incident has further added to the mystery surrounding his life. The incident occurred on a fateful Saturday night when Maina Njenga was allegedly abducted from his residence in Kiambu. His lawyer Ndegwa Njiru posted on X, "My client Maina Njenga has been abducted by the DCI from his house in Kiambu. He has been taken to an undisclosed location. The lack of transparency regarding his whereabouts has heightened the sense of alarm." Adding to the disturbing narrative, Njenga's brother, Njoroge Kamunya, has disclosed that the former Mungiki leader was forcibly pulled out of his vehicle during the alleged abduction, as reported by The Standard. This account suggests a premeditated and forceful act, leaving many bewildered and seeking answers about the motives behind this targeted action. Maina Njenga has previously faced a string of legal issues. In May, police conducted raids on 3 of his residences located in Laikipia, Nakuru and Nairobi counties. Moreover, in July, reports surfaced that he was arrested by the police while in Lower Matasia, Ngong, and subsequently taken to an undisclosed location. He was then arraigned at Makadara courts. The charges against the former Mungiki leader were related to the possession of offensive weapons, including bows, arrows, machetes among other items. The circumstances surrounding these possessions were deemed to raise a reasonable presumption of intended use against public order. Additionally, Njenga faced charges of preparing to commit a felony and organizing an unlawful assembly, all of which he vehemently denied. This is a developing story. Keep it here to get updates.